Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.